Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect QuickBooks to n8n. First, open n8n and make sure you log it in. Then, click on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new note. In the search bar, type QuickBooks and select it from the list. You'll see a list of available actions. Click on Create a Customer to start setting up your workflow. Now, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Here, enter your client ID and client secret, which you can find in your QuickBooks developer account. Then, select the environment you're working in, either production or sandbox, depending on your setup. After that, go back and select the resource you want to work with. Then, choose the operations such as create, get many, update, or custom API call. Next, enter the display name such as QuickBooks to identify your integration. Once everything is filled in, go back and you'll see that QuickBooks is successfully connected to n8n. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.